Hi guys, it's early, but I'm sitting here waiting for my daughter at the orthodontist. Thank you, COVID. I get to sit in my car rather than the waiting room. But I thought while I was here, I would show you guys how to use the in-car entertainment. So check it out. All right, so here along the bottom, you have all the different icons on your screen. We're going to touch the one that is the box with the arrow in it. And then we get a little new toolbar. We're going to click on Entertainment. And here you have Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Twitch, and Tesla tutorials. So if you wanted to watch Netflix, you would just click on Netflix and log into your Netflix account. You also have Arcade across the top, so click on Arcade. And this is where all the games are. So there's a bunch of games. They add them periodically to new games. So there's lots of options there. All right, so now we're going to go back to the little box with the arrow. And this time we're going to click on Toy Box. The first one is emissions, and I turned it on to turn signal. And lovely. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. You have tracks where you can make audio. You have the romance feature, which is the fireplace. There's a sketch pad. We can draw. Mars, where you look like you're a rover. There's Santa mode, which my daughter said that we need to use that at Christmas, which would be fun. And then there's finally Rainbow Road, and my kids actually love this one. But I'll have to do a little demo of that another time, so you can see how it all works. But anyway, if you're in your car and you're bored, these are some great options. So right now, while we're waiting for our children to do appointments, or when you're charging at the supercharger, or whatever you're doing, this is very helpful and useful. So let me know if you have any questions. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching.